Hi, this is Bob from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and or bell button for notifications of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be going over what is rugged and what is semi-rugged. What makes a laptop rugged? So stay tuned. Welcome back. At Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, we like to think if it's time to upgrade your Toughbook, we'll happily buy back any previously purchased units. Even if you purchase it from someone else, we're still interested and you can trade it in for credit. Some of the reasons you might want to trade in your Toughbook: receive market trade-in value, put it towards something else. So some reasons that you might think about to trade in would be to receive market trade-in value. You can reduce your risk of data destruction. We'll take care of it for you. You can also reduce landfill waste. You won't have to throw it in the dumpster. All the parts, even on non-working Toughbooks, are reusable in some of the cases. There may be working parts that can be refreshed and reused. In regards to non-Toughbook trade-ins, so let's say you have a Dell or an IBM or an HP. Granted, we do specialize in Toughbooks and tablets, but we also take other popular brands like Getac, Durabook, Dell, Fujitsu, and Explore. Just fill out the form, and I'm leaving the link at the bottom of in the description, and our staff will let you know, A, do we take it as trade-in, and B, how much can you expect to get? Certainly let us know. So I guess you might be asking yourself, how does Bob determine the value of a trade-in? Well, a lot of factors get involved, and via email, some of the things you can do is let us know exactly what's included. AC adapter, how much memory is in the unit, give us the specifications. So memory in the unit, how big is the hard drive? Have you had any problems with it? Is the screen clear? Is the keyboard all operational? Does the mouse pad look good? Take some pictures. Send us some pictures of your laptops. Let us know what it looks like. That gives us the best idea of A, cosmetic condition, a big factor in value. What is included? Again, hey, is the AC adapter included? Power cords, docks, batteries. Did you have extra batteries for the unit? Hey, throw those in. Everything's worth something. So you can trade in your unit and you get store credit, or we'll even pay cash if you're not looking to upgrade to another unit. But if you get store credit, you're able to upgrade to another unit. You're saving the waste disposal rate. We're also destroying all data on your hard drive so that you don't have any privacy issues. So let's say you've made the decision, I'm ready to trade in my laptop, Toughbook, Getac, whatever it may be. We have a form on our website that you can fill out. I'm putting the link right here. I'm also going to include it in the description, so you'll be able to click on it and read through exactly what we do. Once you fill the form out, one of us here at Bob Johnson's Computer will shoot you an email and just say, hey, maybe ask you more questions, maybe there's some clarifications we need, or even ask for some pictures. I suggest that you give us as much as possible that you know about the units. All of it will determine value. Some of the things that are important, even if you have docking stations, extra power cords, whatever you have that might have been used with the laptop, include it. You never know, it definitely will increase the value of what you're trading in. Well, anyways, that's all I got for trade-in at Bob Johnson Computer Stuff. Hope to see you next week.